I, Ritika, passed my 12th from Lahoria School and then I joined Vishesh Academy of Commerce for CC, which is the first level of Company Secretary course. Before joining, I was very confused, like how to start, from where to start, especially during the pandemic. Then I came to know about the Vishesh Academy of Commerce. All my doubts were cleared and today I have full faith that they will surely support me till the end. Its environment is very friendly. Here the doubt clearing sessions and the test series are really fabulous. All the teachers are very supportive and dedicated and keep check on every student individually. Personally, I have seen a lot of improvement in my writing and the learning skills. Time to time, they organize various sessions to motivate and to release the stress of the students. So, for all those who are interested in CA or CS, they must consider Vishesh for sure. They will never regret it later.